Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Rido Khalid MPD as the comprehensive examiner for the research methodology course. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Ena Surhatun, student number 211040037. In this video, I will present my research proposal entitled The Effectiveness of Using Magic Box Game Media Towards Student Vocabulary Mastery at Junior High School. In Chapter 1, I will explain the background of the problem in this research. Vocabulary is one of the most essential aspects of language learning. When students have a strong vocabulary, they can easily understand or use English in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. However, if their vocabulary is limited, they will struggle to communicate and comprehend English text effectively. So, based on the interview with English teacher at SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung, it was found the 7th grade students still face difficulties in mastering English vocabulary. They only recognize simple nouns like books, table, pen, and pencil, but struggle to remember other words such as notebook, chair, and blackboard. Data also shows that out of 253 students, 50.99% fall into the poor and very poor categories in vocabulary mastery. This indicates that many students still struggle to memorize and understand new vocabulary. So, several factors contribute to student low vocabulary mastery, including low motivation to learn, difficulties in memorizing new words, traditional teaching method that rely on writing and memorization from textbook, lack of engaging and interactive learning media. So, since vocabulary learning is not present in a fun way, students often feel bored and unmotivated. To address these issues, the Magic Box is introduced as a learning media. Magic Box is an interactive learning tool that uses flashcards with pictures. This method not only helps students practice vocabulary, but also encourages them to speak English more actively. Additionally, the Magic Box element of the box create excitement and increase student motivation to participate in learning. It makes vocabulary learning more engaging and effective. Previous studies have proven that using Magic Box can improve student vocabulary and speaking skills. However, the studies were mainly conducted on young children or students outside formal education. So, in this research, therefore, focus on 7th grade students at SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung. So, this study aims to test the effectiveness of Magic Box in improving the vocabulary mastery of 7th grade students. By using more engaging and interactive teaching media, students are expected be better understand and remember new words, ultimately improving their overall English skills. Based on the background above, the identification of the problem are the students still had problem in improving their vocabulary, and the second is students find it difficult to memorizing new vocabulary, and the third are students find it difficult to understanding the meaning of the vocabulary, and the last, the teacher had never used Magic Box as a media to teach vocabulary before. Limitation of the problem. To avoid misunderstanding and to clarify, the researchers would like to focus the effectiveness of using the Magic Box as a media towards student vocabulary mastery. The researcher specially emphasized teaching vocabulary through nouns following as the syllabus 7th grade student at SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung in the academic year of 2024 or 2025, particularly on the material in Chapter 3 of the English textbook entitled Home Sweet Home. So the content focus on nouns used to describe people, animals, and things in the house. And then formulation of the problem. The formulation of the problem based on the background. Is the Magic Box Game Media effective to teach vocabulary mastery for 7th grade SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung in the academic year of 2024 or 2025? And then the objective of the research, the study aims to determine whether the Magic Box Game Media is effective in teaching vocabulary mastery for 7th grade at SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung in the academic year of 2024 or 2025. Significance of the research. This research is expected to provide valuable insight into the effectiveness of Magic Box as learning media for improving student vocabulary mastery. The first is their theoretical significance, contributes to junior high school by providing information on using Magic Box to enhance vocabulary learning. And then the second is practically significance for teacher, helps teacher find engaging media to teach vocabulary and address student difficulties in memorization, making learning effective and learning more interactive. And then the second for student, creates a fun and enjoyable learning experience, helping students improve their vocabulary skill through an interactive approach. And then the third is for other researchers, serves as a reference for the future study and using Magic Box or other media in vocabulary teaching. Relevant research. Several previous studies have explored the use of Magic Box in language learning, and the first relevant research is ANI 2021 examined how Magic Box improve vocabulary among out-of-school youth in Happy Village, highlighting challenges in memorization and word selecting, but not its application in formal classroom. And then the second is Amalia et al. 2022 implementing Magic Box for 6th grades at SDIT Multazam Permerkasaan, demonstrating its effectiveness is boosting vocabulary but limiting the study to elementary students. And then the third relevant research is Sarhang and Furwana 2020 conducted a quasi-experimental study at SMPN 8 Palaupo showing significant vocabulary improvement in 8th grade using Magic Box compared to traditional method. And then the last relevant research is Novalina et al. 2023 focus on early childhood letter recognizing using Magic Box, impacting cognitive and motor skill development but not vocabulary mastery at higher levels. While previous studies confirmed the effectiveness of Magic Box, none have specially examined its role in enhancing 7th grade student vocabulary at SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung. In this research, fill the gap by exploring its impact in a structured junior high school setting. Systematics of the research. This research is structured as follows. Chapter 1 outlines the researcher titled Background, Problem Identification and Limitation, Research Question, Objective Significance, and Previous Studies, and Systematic Discussion. And then in the Chapter 2 discuss the theoretical framework including vocabulary concept, learning importance, types, teaching component, challenges, media, definition of media, Magic Box game, and game-based learning, and hypothesis formulation. And then chapter 3 explain the research methodology, conveying research setting, design, population, sample, data collection technique, variable, instrument, and validity, reliability, data analysis, and hypothesis testing. And then in the chapter 4 present the research finding and analysis, and the last chapter 5 concludes the study and provide recommendation. And then the chapter 3 research methodology. Chapter 3 will explain the methodology that will be used in this research to achieve the study objectives. It will conclude the following sections. The first is time and place of the research. This research will be conducted at SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung during the 2024 or 2025 academic year. The study will take place in the 7th grade class with data collection carried out over a specific period according to the school's academic schedule. And then the research design. This study will employ a quasi-experimental research design comparing students who will be taught using the Magic Box game with those will be taught using conventional vocabulary learning methods. A pre-test and post-test will be used to measure the student vocabulary improvement. And then the population and sample. The population in this research, all 7th grade students at SMP Negeri 21 Bandar Lampung, and then the sample is two selected classes, one experimental group using Magic Box game media, and then one control group using traditional methods from the school. The sample will be chosen using cluster random sampling to ensure similar proficiency levels. And then the technique of the data collection. Data will be collected through the following techniques. The first is pretest. It will be administered before the intervention to assess student initial vocabulary knowledge. And then the second is treatment. The experimental group will receive vocabulary lessons using the Magic Box game, while the control group will follow conventional method. And then the third is post-test. It will be conducted after the treatment to measure vocabulary improvement. And then the last is observation and documentation. This will be used to record student engagement and respond during the learning process. Operational definition of variables. The first is independent variables, the use of Magic Box game media in vocabulary learning, and then the dependent variables, student vocabulary mastery, which will be measured through pre-test and post-test scores. And then research instruments. The research that will be used in this research include vocabulary tests, consists of multiple choice exercise to assess student vocabulary mastery, and then the second observation checklist to record student participation and engagement during the learning process, and then the validity and reliability of the data. The validity, the vocabulary test will be reviewed by experts to ensure content validity, and then the reliability pilot test will conducted at the result will be analyzed using Cronbach alpha to determine reliability. Data analyzing technique. To collect the data will be analyzed using quantitative method, including descriptive statistics like mean, median, and standard deviation of pre-test and post-test score will be calculated. And then inferential statistics, a test will be used to compare the performance of the experimental and control group and determine the effectiveness of the Magic Box. And then the last is hypo-testing test. Null hypothesis, the Magic Box will have no significant effect on student vocabulary mastery. And then alternative hypothesis, the Magic Box game will significantly improve student vocabulary mastery. A test will be used to analyze the data, and if the p-value is less than 0.05, will be rejected, meaning the Magic Box will be considered effective in enhancing vocabulary mastery. So in this chapter, we'll provide a structured approach to conducting the research, ensuring that the study follows a systematic and reliability methodology. Okay, that's all for me about my proposals. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.